Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala talks about the lifestyle of the ant in Surah Al-Ankabut, chapter number 29, verse number 41. Furthermore, the glorious Qur'an talks about botany, talks about physiology, and the glorious Qur'an in the field of embryology. We know wherein Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Qur'an in Surah Al-Iqra, chapter number 96, verse number 1. In Surah Al-Iqra, in Surah Al-Alaq, chapter number 96, in the first few verses of Surah Al-Alaq or Surah Al-Iqra, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala talks about the human beings, that they are created from a leech-like substance, something that clings. And the other meaning is congealed clot of blood. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also says in the glorious Quran, in Surah Al-Mu'minun, chapter number 23, verse number 12 to 14, that the unbelievers, they will say that how will Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala resurrect us after we have been buried and we have been decomposed? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, in Surah Al-Qiyamah, chapter number 75, that we will not only bring back their bones, but we will bring back in perfect order the very tips of their fingers. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He's telling the human beings, and in this verse He's telling the unbelievers that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not only bring back their bones, but He will bring back in perfect order the very tips of the fingers. When did we come to know regarding the fingerprints? It was in 1880, where Sir Francis Gould, he discovered regarding fingerprints. The glorious Quran mentions regarding this 1400 years ago.